All right, everyone, we are officially in hurricane season, so let's talk about a couple things that will come up during hurricane season that you should be wary for. Number one, you will see people post single model runs such as this one right here that will show crazy hurricanes in the Gulf of Mexico and crazy hurricanes out in the Atlantic Ocean. The first thing you need to do when you see something like this is come up here in the top left corner and look at where it says forecast hour. Inside these brackets will be a number. If this number is anything greater than like 150, you need to be incredibly wary of what this person is telling you. This is from the model run this morning at 7 a.m. June 1st, 2025. This is showing you the potential for Friday, June 13th, 2025. That is not this Friday, but it's the following Friday. It will be guaranteed to have changed a million times between now and then. In fact, if we just look at the model run that was made 6 hours later, at the exact same time, Friday, June 13th, 2025, that is an entirely different storm system and an entirely different portion of the Gulf of Mexico. Do not get sucked into panic by things like this with forecast hours like this. This will just cause you endless anxiety. When you start getting to like 4 or 5 days out and multiple model runs are starting to show the same thing, that's when you need to start being prepared and preparing for a hurricane. In addition, there is no Category 6 hurricane. That is not a thing that exists. The Saffir-Simpson scale, as terrible as it is, goes up to 5. Anything past a 5, anything past 157 miles per hour is a Category 5 hurricane. Anyone who says differently is either lying to you or outright does not know what they are talking about. In addition, there is a maximum strength in both minimum pressure and wind speed that a hurricane can achieve based on a combination of sea surface temperatures and thermodynamic profiles in the atmosphere. This is the current map for the Gulf of Mexico and the North Atlantic Basin, valid from Thursday, May 29th, 2025. So, if a storm could form currently, the theoretical maximum wind speed it could get in this particular area, this blue shaded area, would be a Category 5 hurricane. However, if you go to hurricane.gov, which you should absolutely do for the National Hurricane Center, they will give you an idea of where potential storms could be forming. And if there aren't any, they will get this handy dandy little thing that says tropical cyclone activity is not expected during the next 7 days. The National Hurricane Center, the NHC, is your best friend for tracking hurricanes. Absolutely no hurricane tracking would be possible without them. So use them religiously because they will give you the best and most accurate information.